Hey folks, Cooking with Kelbob here. You ever walk around at Christmas time and you come in the house and it smells like cinnamon and it smells so good and it just feels like Christmas and it smells like Christmas? Well, today we're going to teach you how to make an old family recipe. My wife's made it, her mother's made it, her mother's made it, we made it for our children. Molasses ginger snap cookies. Hey, welcome to the Christmas edition, but along with me is Grill Dog Sherman! Good catch, buddy! See, look, Sherman's dressed up like Christmas. He's got his antlers on. He's all decorated. We're ready to go for Christmas. Okay, so after I've washed my hands, because we always wash our hands when we cook, the first thing we're going to get is 3/4 cups shortening or margarine. In this case, I'm using shortening. And then next, we're going to get 1 heaping cup of my favorite vegetable, sugar. 1/4 cup molasses. 1 egg. You like my hat? It's kind of got the shagadelic Christmas thing going. 2 cups of flour. I think Grill Wife's big in the hat. You are, aren't you? You are. It's the shag thing going on. Oh, do behave. 1 teaspoon soda. That would be baking soda, not Coca-Cola. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon ground cloves. What are ground cloves? Spice. And of course, I can't have a treat without using my all-time favorite spice, 1 teaspoon ginger from Thailand or Malaysia that our son brought home. Thank you, Grill Wife. So after we've combined our ingredients, we're going to get our mixer out at medium speed. And hey, while I'm thinking about it, big shout out to my old friends at Cape Electric. I know you guys watch, super fans, yeah. So after we've gotten our dough mixed really well, my grill reindeer here is a little preoccupied. Wash my hands. We always wash our hands when we cook. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort of get this, in a kind of a dough ball. It's going to look something like this. And, we're going to sort of work it in with our hands. These are just a holiday treat. You're going to love these. I can taste them already. And then we're just simply going to roll them up to a ball size about like that. And then roll them in sugar. And then we've got a lightly greased pan. And I was instructed to make them 3 across from Grill Wife. And we put them in the pan. Hey, how about another shout out to our friend Debbie, super fan. We hope you enjoy these. We'll send some your way. We sure hope everybody has a special Christmas, a Merry Christmas. I know we're excited. We're having probably the best year of our life, having a blast doing this and all the things we're doing in business, helping people, traveling the country, and cooking with Grill Dog Sherman. So after I've rolled my cookies, and I've put them on my lightly greased pan. Then all I'm going to do is bake them at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. So, after we've baked, oh yeah, whoops, I stuck my pot holder in a couple of them. These dudes, they're going to flatten out as they cool, but after about 9 minutes, see how they just, oh, you should smell them. Oh my gosh, the house smells like Christmas. We're going to lay these down, let them cool, and sort of flatten out a little bit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Molasses, ginger snaps for Christmas. Folks, you got to try this recipe. It is so incredible. This is the favorite part of my job. Oh my God. Oh my God, folks. Oh my God. You got to try it. Sherman, you got to try a piece. Come here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Folks, you gotta try molasses ginger snaps for Christmas. You won't go wrong. Merry Christmas from our family to your family. Kelbob, out.